All right, let's take a look at this sweetheart for the Pontiac fans. 1969 Pontiac GTO two-door hardtop. Now this is a 242 VIN car, so it is a true GTO. Actually one of, I believe, a little over 6,000 GTO coupes built with a 4-speed manual transmission. Now, as you can see, this one does have the Judge Tribute decals and markings to it. The other thing cool about this, as you can see, it has the Ram Air hood. It actually has the Ram Air 3 option on it. That is sitting atop a 389 V8 that's been bored out to a 400, and it does have a Muncie 4-speed that is paired with. Some of the other things I can tell you about underneath there, it is a Holley 4-barrel setup. It does have Flowmasters on it. Of course, the wheels are like new. They're 15-inch Rally 2 wheels. Just a nice looking setup on this car. Now, this particular vehicle can be seen on our website. So if you want to check out the underside of this car is as nice as the top side. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you take a look down below this video, you can click on a link that's going to take you right to it. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions we can on this. This car was appraised, I believe it was 2017. We took this one in on trade. The appraisal was done before we got it in, just came along with the car. You could check and see what the appraiser had to say. Be happy to share that information with you. That's not a problem. As you can see, the paint's in nice shape, has a nice luster to it. You can see the lights reflecting off the hood up above us. So paint has a great luster to it, good shine. Car's pretty straight up and down the side of it. Could use a little bit of touch up along this door, front of the passenger door there. Of course, the GTO Judges had the kind of the blue, red, and yellow combination striping on them. There's those Rally 2 wheels. Parchment interior, I believe it was called, was a lighter color. Dash all looks standard. There's a Muncie 4-speed. Still retains AC Delco AM radio, and I believe that worked fine. It was in there a little while ago, played around with it. It does have what I would call the standard gauge setup as far as in the dash, but it has a different gauge that has been put in it, a more modern gauge. And I believe that was, what brand was that? It'll come to me, but we'll take a look at it when we get in there. I believe it was Speed Hut is the gauges that are in there. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we'd be happy to assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Again, you can see that the paint is in very nice shape on this. Nice looking GTO. Remember, true GTO, 242 VIN car. Chrome and bright worker nice on it. And again, take a look at the undersides. Undersides can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right to our website. Bottom of this car is extremely solid. Frame looks good. Pans look good. You'll see what I'm saying when you take a look at it. And again, you can see the reflection coming off this car. Nice looking paint on it. FYI, the hood mounted tack did work. We're going to check that out when we fire this thing up, listen to it, check underneath the engine, or I should say check the engine underneath the hood. All right, door panels like brand new. Seats have obviously been redone, also in very nice shape. Front and rear. Headliner, all in nice shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. And here's where I'm talking about earlier, where you can see you still have the same style gauge clusters that would have came stock, but the gauges in it have been changed, more modern. Starts easily. Let's go ahead and check out. Oh, there you do have power to the radio. I don't have it on a station that's going to get reception though, so. You do have power to the radio. We're also in more or less a tin shed, so Not going to get very good reception in here. Just warm up here a little bit. As you can see, we have a oil pressure over on this side, water temperature, speedometer in the middle, fuel gauge to the left, and your voltmeter. Tack out on the hood. Let's get a better look at that if you can see that. Finish up there so you can see that. Car's got a nice little rumble out of it. A little cold-blooded, that's why I thought we'll let it warm up. Alright, slip around back behind this. You'll hear it. A nice little cami engine, a little rumble out of it. Like I said, $389. That has been bored out to a $400. I'm going to go up to the front here. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and see what's underneath there. Alright, so here you go. Power steering, power brake car. See how nice and clean this engine bay is, too. The Ram Air 3 intake. That is part number correct for a 69 GTO. There you go. So a 1969 Pontiac GTO is a 242 VIN car, so it is a true GTO done up as a judge tribute in this case. In the carousel red. Nice two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. You can also check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link. That's going to take you right to our website. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.